I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
Invest into your business, especially when you like ran out of your first $1,000. I remember you telling me about that.
So how far back are you trying to go?
Like 2018, 2017.
Okay, so with e-commerce.
Yes, with e-commerce.
Yeah, so I mean, I pretty much went all in.
Mm-hmm.
There was no like plan B. Like I was basically finishing up my first year of college. Wasn't really feeling that lifestyle. Even though I did work hard when I was in school and I got pretty much straight A's, I knew that like that's not what I was trying to do. I just wanted to see if I could actually get good grades. But anyways, it was like a challenge. But when I got to the summer break, bro, had no money. The only money that I had was from a refund check. You know what a refund check is?
Of course.
Yeah, so I got the refund for the student loans, which is not your money. It's the government's money, but sure. I was like, I'll take it. So I was like, okay, I could use this for a fun summer, travel, do stuff with my friends, or I could try to build a business. And I chose the latter option. And it was a very hard time. I partnered with a close friend of mine. I don't want to say it was a hard time. When I look back in those times, it's actually kind of like nostalgic. Like I was excited getting first sale, building the store, staying up all night watching Facebook ad videos. So no, I'm not gonna say it was a hard, sad time. Like these are actually good memories because these laid the groundwork for where I'm at today.